Welcome back to the channel. Today I am walking you through exactly how to grab the latest Hostinger N8N coupon code and maximize your savings in 2026. Most people don't know this, but there are two types of Hostinger coupon codes floating around online. Generic codes give you just 10% off, but the exclusive link I've dropped in the description and pinned comment gives you a full 20% discount, that's double, plus a free .com domain automatically added at checkout, no manual entry needed. Once you hit the Hostinger website through my link, head to the services menu in the nav bar. That's it, you'll see every plan listed there, and yes, my 20% discount applies across all of them. Today I'm focusing on Hostinger self-hosted N8N plans. You've got four options: KVM1, KVM2, KVM4 and KVM8. I personally recommend KVM2 for most users starting out with N8N automation. It's the sweet spot between performance and price. Add it to your cart, proceed to checkout, and watch the discount apply itself. Pro tip: always register with a fresh email address to make sure the deal triggers correctly. Links are organized by country in the description, so you're always seeing pricing in your local currency. That's it. If this saved you money, smash that like button and subscribe. More automation deals coming every week.